Alright guys, I just made a video and she deleted it. She don't want anybody to see her face. Look at her face. Ah! But she said that Slimebo, aka Daniel, had a certain thing. But I'm not gonna say it because I'm not that type of person. She said that he had a girlfriend, but that's not even true. Okay. Ah!
He's my brother.
Oh. Hey!
Hey, mommy! Hi, mommy.
Quentin, what are you doing? This is not the Quentin I was talking about before. It's a way different Quentin. That's a crazy Quentin. Crazy Q. Crazy Q, what you doing? How you doing, Crazy Q?
Stop calling me.
Crazy Quentin. Crazy Q. CQ.
Oh, gee, wait, I should have. I'm going to shoot him in the face with my water. Shoot him.
Ah!
I like your hairline. Guys, shoot
thanks.
him. Oh, actually, shoot him and her. Shoot her and him. Well, I will slap the white off you.
He's not white, so.
You're white, too.
I'm not white!
Spanish?
No, I'm not Spanish. Además, sigue my level.
What?
I'm going to see my level. What am I going to do?
What?
Asking my name, what it's good to be. What the heck?
Okay, Corey. Okay, Corey, get off. Real quick. No.
Stop! No, don't do it! What are you doing? Nobody wants to watch High School Musical. It's the worst movie in the world.
Put Daniel in it.
Hold it.
Daniel!
Push this back.
Daniel!
Stop! What are you doing?
End it.
Why?
Because I like to be on my own YouTube channel.
I'm not even putting you on it.
Tell your sister.
You're gonna make Mekhi mad. Huh? I need to
No, you don't.
Daniel, what are you doing?
Oh.
Daniel, do it. No, you're not on here. I swear. Stop.
Yeah, he said push it back to 11.
Wait. Okay.
That means we get to stay with each other. Yeah, because he has to pick up him. And
Oh shoot, it does. But
How long are you
no,
staying here?
me and Daniel.
How long are you guys staying here?
My dad said for 45 minutes, maybe even longer.
Yeah.
But that makes even more time for me to know you. Seriously, I don't know your name.
No.
Mimi.
You're my cool. You're my favorite.
Don't laugh. I'll clock you upside your head.
Daniel, is her name really Mimi?
Yes.
Oh.
Is your name really
And I punch hard.
Oh.
You might not want to laugh, but then I'll punch you in your face. And you
Daniel, no!
can ask Daniel. I punch hard. You can ask Daniel.
Go. Go tell your dad what he said.
Ow! What the? Ow! Jeez, I'm sorry. Should you just spank me? Guys, this is not okay. She spanked me! Oh!
Oh. And be careful with it.
I met you before, but you don't remember. I won't hurt you. That's true. We did meet before.
Yeah, I kind of remember your face, but I don't remember your name being Mimi. What's her name?
KK.
Yo, okay. Fine, okay, just don't, okay. Daniel, she hits hard.
Now you just put it. Turn your head.
No, Daniel.
And then press the button. No.
What are you doing? You said you don't want to be on YouTube.
No, I didn't say that.
So do you?
I want to record it. Oh, jeez.
Whatever, I'm doing my own thing.
Post it.
Stop, I'm not done, you guys.
The video's gonna be too long.
Ow! What the heck?
Gauntlet.
I'm gonna...
Daniel, pull down your shirt.
These are not fitting this over.
Why?
Ow!
See the stomach, so I really don't
These
care.
are not
I don't
fitting this.
Yeah, that's what you see every time you go swimming. Unless you have a swimming shirt.
You never wear swimming shirts.
Exactly. Hey, don't dig in people's pockets. You never know if there's like weed in there.
Weed?
Yeah.
Did you seriously talking about weed? Talking about weed.
They're not fitting that.
Yo,
Look at it.
yo, bro.
Put it up on the ceiling.
Yo, bro. Excuse me. Excuse me.
Hey,
Yo,
I was sitting there. Hey, peoples.
slime ball.
AKA.
Oh! I know, she just slapped me. Slapped me like 1,000 times.
Hey, Corey. There's
That
Corey.
means she likes. No, it does not.
Oh, and you're 8 and she's 7. She's 7?
Yes. How old are you?
8. I'll be 9 in like 5 months, so.
Her birthday's in November.
When's your birthday?
Stop
birthday?
July
My
7th.
birthday was last month.
Don't say anything. Public. You cannot supposed to say your privacy on public. Listen, my birthday is on July 7th.
My birthday's November 5th.
It's okay. It comes off. It comes off the ceiling.
Look at that, y'all. Get down.
Give me that thing.
Give it.
Quentin.
There, you take your thing. No, don't shoot that in here.
Dang.
What's up, Jay? What's up, squad?
Or one time I was with my cousin and like these bunch of girls walked by. He's like, girl squad. That was so funny. He's like, girl squad. But he's really only like 5, so he doesn't know any better. But he's so funny. Oh shoot! What is? You're just gonna break somebody. That was. She attacked Daniel.
She jumped on Daniel like, why?
No, it's because.
Ooh.
Shoot, it's raining hard. And
I wanna go. I wanna.
yeah.
Yo, it's raining really hard. We in trouble. We in trouble. Quick.
What is that?
My dad call this the crack-a-malackin. Crack, crack, crack. I know that. It's only been 8 minutes. Whoa, don't shoot that at me. Ah! I'm so... Ow! I'm sorry. If you shoot that thing at me.
Guys, I like turtles.
Freak.
You lucky you have dimples. People with dimples are lucky. I don't beat people up with dimples.
She knows my dimple. I actually only have 1 dimple.
2.
It's really, really hard.
It means you only have a jean jacket.
I'd be like,
See, nobody wants to watch this. High School Musical is boo.
I want to play.
No, I said boo, not poo. Nobody was.
Boo!
So that doesn't make any sense. My face couldn't look like boo. Yo, if you punch me,
Don't go.
she can't be punching me like this.
She's right there.
I know, but I just.
Oh,
Yes.
are you dropping me off?
I drew Phineas today. Awesome drawing.
you drew Phineas?
Yeah, I got a coloring kit with all the colors. Yo, it's actually really easy.
Draw. Phineas.
I need the book. I swear I need the book. My mom calls me Old Man Joe.
There was a bag right here. Where's it at?
Uh,
A little bag. A little white and black bag.
I must be blind.
is that the bag?
Yeah.
Right there that she's holding.
No, put that back. There was a little bag right here. Where's it at?
Probably Daniel knocked it off when Corey jumped on him.
You jump on me.
You have to either ask me.
Why are you sitting on him? Oh, hi.
Let me see. Where's the...
What?
He said, "Oh hi."
Why was you sitting on him?
Because he wasn't listening.
I still read
Go down.
I have it in my bag. I know.
Wait, move over.
Oh.
Squeeze in. Always make room. Wait, ow! Why must I be attacked? Bye, guys. Say bye. I take that as a bye.